This magnificent mansion is for sale, located in Ascot, Surrey, England. It offers 9 bedrooms and 12 bathrooms. This impressive mansion sits within over 25 acres of landscaped parkland. Originally part of the royal estate and used as a 19th century hunting lodge for the royal family, the property combines historic character with extensive modern amenities. The estate also includes a self-contained lodge, a tennis court, and additional outbuildings. The grounds feature mature woodland, formal gardens, and 2 lakes. The asking price of this magnificent mansion is £20 million. A rare opportunity to own a historic estate in one of Surrey's most prestigious locations.
Thank you for watching.